Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for everyday tasks. Today, we're diving into one of the top products for anyone who loves hair braiding and styling, the 22 pieces magnetic wrist sewing pincushion with hair braiding tools set. This is hands down one of the best braiding stitch kits out there, offering a combination of accessories that will not only make your hair braiding process quicker but also way more organized. If you're someone who frequently styles hair, whether it's for yourself or others, you know how essential it is to have the right tools on hand. This set includes 15 hair rings, 2 parting combs, 4 braid clips, and a wristband designed for hair parting, all packed into a convenient, easy-to-carry kit. You won't have to worry about scrambling for your tools when you're in the middle of creating your next hair masterpiece. The wristband, which features a magnetic pincushion, is an absolute game-changer. It lets you store your pins and hair accessories right at your wrist while you're working, saving you precious time. No more fumbling around or wasting time trying to find that one pin or clip you need. The parting combs are made of durable ABS plastic and steel, designed to handle even the most challenging sections of hair. These combs make sure you can separate and part your hair with ease, whether you're going for a simple braid or something a little more intricate. And when it comes to the clips, they're made of plastic and stainless steel, ensuring they hold hair firmly in place without slipping or breaking, even after multiple uses. The materials used in this kit are sturdy and reliable. The plastic and steel components are made to withstand repeated use, so you don't have to worry about them fading or getting damaged easily. You can rest assured that these tools will last for the long haul. Plus, it's lightweight, which makes it perfect for taking along to a salon or even just when you're at home. Whether you're traveling or just styling your hair at home, this kit can easily be stored in your bag or a suitcase without taking up too much space. It's a compact, practical set that gives you everything you need to braid and style hair with ease. Overall, this 22-piece kit is perfect for anyone who wants to save time while getting creative with hair braiding. With its durable, high-quality design and thoughtful assortment of tools, it's a must-have for anyone looking to perfect their hair game. If you're tired of disorganized hair styling sessions and want a more efficient, convenient way to braid and style, then this set is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great product reviews.